Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this LiveWire video tutorial we will see how we can make a route and use it with the LiveWire component directly. Why I am saying that directly? Because in the previous video we learned that how we can use LiveWire component within the Blade template. Alright, because you cannot use direct route with the LiveWire. We need some some layout file and etc. I will tell you in the video just after some moments. So that's why this is a little bit different from the Laravel. And now let's look out the points of the video. So let's remove it. So these are the 6 points. First of all, we have to make a component. We have to define a route for the Livewire component. Then we have to define a layout for Livewire component, and we have to use this layout and we will test it. All right. Please guys, keep in mind that in this video I'm just going to focus on the Livewire route, right? How we can make a route. So I am not going to too much deep dive inside the how we can define the layout. If you just want to look out the file where how you can learn and how you can define the layout, then you can get the link from the description box. I already made a video on it. So now let's start with the points. First of all, I am just going to clear out the window and let's define a component here. So just write here PHP artisan make livewire and profile. This is my basically component name, and hit the enter, and here you can see that it created the two files, profile class and profile view. So now let's move on the second point and let's go inside the web.php and make a route for it. So just define here route livewire and just simply make it profile route, and this is my profile component name. Perfect, our route is defined. Now what's the next point? Now we have to make a layout page. So as you know, component is already made by us and route is also made by us. If I'm just going to try to access the profile, then it will tell us that we have to make a layout.app page, or this is basically a layout of our component. Alright, so now let's come inside a view, and there is a already folder with the layout. I am just going to make a folder inside it, app.blade.php. Right, so after that if I am just going to put here layout page here, and I am just going to put one more tab inside the profile.blade.php, one tag here like profile page. Then you will see we are not able to see the profile page, but we are able to access the layout page here now. So now let's see, refresh it, because the route for Livewire component can only be accessed the layout page, and if it just defines some content inside it, then it will fetch directly, otherwise it's not going to fetch. Otherwise route cannot going to access directly the profile.blade.php, which is related to your component. Alright, so now let's define here our component, layout. Just write here HTML, and I don't need these 3 lines, so I can remove, and just simply write here yield here. So just use here @yield, and I'm just going to put here title, and let's take a div here, and we also have to use here @yield, and here we can put here body. Alright, so now if I am just going to access it, you will see there is nothing in this page because we did not define yet. But if I'm in the profile page, I am just going to define title section and the content section. We are able to access the profile page also. How? Now let's see. So inside the profile page, I am just going to define a section @section, and I don't need to end it. Basically I can just make it a second parameter also, like profile page, and here I am going to put here title, because with this title our layout page will be accessed this name. So now you can see that on a title, now we have a profile page. With the similar case, here I am just going to define here at the rate section, and let's define the section name, which is the body. Alright, so let's define body, and inside this I am just going to put here some h1 tag like hello from profile page, and let's see. Here you can see that we got the layout, we got the profile .play.php with our layout page also. Alright, so this is the way that how we can define the route with the Livewire component. If you still have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel, because I am just going to put here many more video on the Laravel and the Livewire. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.